probably in 2025, we at Meta, as well as the other companies that are basically working on this, are going to have an AI that can effectively be a sort of mid-level engineer that you have at your company that can write code. And once you have that, then in the beginning, it'll be really expensive to run. And then you can get it to be more efficient. And then over time, we'll get to the point where a lot of the code in our apps and including the AI that we generate is actually going to be built by AI engineers instead of people engineers.
We are living in a time of incredible change. You have probably heard a lot about artificial intelligence, but what about AI agents? These aren't just chatbots that answer your questions. They are more like digital assistants that can make your decision, take action, and even learn on their own. Are they the next big thing? And what does it all mean for our jobs? It's not just him, but many others are also saying that AI agents are coming. It's not just mid level coders, but many other professional jobs that are going to be replaced by these agents.
Unless you hire them and their spreadsheets. Yeah, that's kind of what it is, right? So it's like agents are going to, I think 2 years from now, we're going to say, yeah, agents, I build them like all day, like I build docs and spreadsheets.
Let's break it down. Imagine you had a super organized personal assistant who could not only schedule your meetings but also plan your travel, handle customer inquiries, and even help you write a first draft of a report. That's essentially what an AI agent does. It's like a superpowered software that can work independently to achieve specific goals. Traditional AI needs a human to ask it something. AI agents, on the other hand, can do a lot without us having to tell them exactly what to do every single time. This makes them super efficient, and that's why they are becoming a big deal in many industries. So, what does this mean for the economy and more importantly for our jobs? Well, the experts have some interesting insights. Some estimates say that AI agents could boost the economy, but by trillions of dollars. Think about all the increased productivity that would come with them. But there's a catch. According to the World Economic Forum, while AI will create a lot of new jobs, it will also replace a good number of existing ones. Basically, it's like a giant reshuffling of the workforce. Check out what Salesforce CEO Marc Benioff has to say.
Agentforce 2.0 at an event in San Francisco yesterday. Agents are tools that can complete tasks like customer support or sales development without human supervision. They call it the future of digital work. I did speak with Marc Benioff, the CEO, and asked why he's so excited about it and how he plans on selling it to their enterprise customers.
I've never been more excited about anything in my entire career. We're seeing really the future of work itself. Humans with agents working together to drive customer success. We've been talking about this for a while, but now here in San Francisco, we're showing our new help.salesforce.com that Salesforce itself is using this service, and it is absolutely amazing.
Companies like Salesforce are already using AI agents to help with customer service, automating responses, and freeing up human staff for more complex issues. And it's not just customer service. AI is also finding its way into healthcare.
How are you using it? Give us a use case.
Well, Salesforce answers about 36,000 questions a week from its customers. And traditionally, something like about 10,000 of those questions have had to be promoted to human beings. But now, through Agentforce, only about 5,000 of the 36,000 questions go to human beings. 83% are being able to be resolved automatically by Agentforce.
Nvidia, a big player in AI, sees this agentic AI as a massive opportunity. Imagine AI helping doctors with tasks like paperwork or preliminary diagnosis, enabling them to dedicate more time to patients.
They might be SAP agents, and they could deploy it to their customers and run it wherever the customers want to run the software. The next layer is what we call NVIDIA NeMo. NeMo is essentially a digital employee onboarding and training evaluation system. In the future, these AI agents are essentially digital workforce that are working alongside your employees, doing things for you on your behalf. And so the way that you would bring these specialized agents these special agents into your company is to onboard them, just like you onboard an employee. And so we have different libraries that helps these AI agents be trained for the type of language in your company. Maybe the vocabulary is unique to your company, the business process is different, the way you work is different. So you would give them examples of what the work product should look like, and they would try to generate it, and you would give it feedback, and then you would evaluate them, so on and so forth. And so that, and you would guardrail them. You say, these are the things that you're not allowed to do. These are the things you're not allowed to say. And we even give them access to certain information. Okay, so that entire pipeline, digital employee pipeline, is called NEMO.
The rise of AI agents is a big change. It's not just a tech story, it's a human story. As we navigate this, we'll need to be flexible, adaptable, and ready to embrace new skills. The future of work isn't about whether AI takes over, but about how we can all work together to make the most of the opportunity it brings. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.